This one not a boy, man. Always get last place in school one. Go and Kepoh see what he's up to now. Hey, a boy. Such a coincidence meeting you here. Oh yeah, hi, auntie. Long time no see. So, a boy, what are you doing now? Last time I don't like to study. SPM also didn't get right. Yeah, that was long time ago, auntie. Now I become an accountant already. Accountant? Where got accountant take bus one? Then some more, SPM also don't have. The admin job also cannot do. How to become accountant? Oh, you know SPM how to become accountant, ah? Oh, it's very simple. First, I joined the National Dual Training System, SLDN, under the United Vision Academy, and I get the Malaysian Skills Diploma first. They don't need any SPM one. Then through this program, I go for 2 months of class and 8 months of practical training first. Even I get paid during this period, you know. Then after that, I go and take higher level accounting course lah, and eventually become accountant. Oh, cakap macam terror tapi naik bus juga. Oh, oh, are you still in contact with my son? He go to overseas university, you know. Very expensive one. Then now he come back, he drive big car, buy big house, very high salary one, you know. But I think you don't know lah, because you take bus kan. Oh no lah, auntie, I don't always take the bus. But because the Porsche I bought for my mother, she sent it to service already. Then now she no car to use, so my Rolls Royce I let her to use lah. At least I don't let my own mother take the bus, what, right? So guys, if you are interested to learn more about the National Dual Training System, you can contact United Vision Academy at the numbers up there. See you next time. Goodbye. About the National Dual Training